In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and DigitalOcean for WordPress hosting. Let's clear up the biggest point of confusion right away. A lot of people compare Cloudways and DigitalOcean as if they are direct competitors, but the reality is a little different. DigitalOcean provides the raw cloud infrastructure, while Cloudways gives you a managed layer on top of that infrastructure. In simple terms, one option gives you the server itself, and the other gives you a friendlier system for managing that server. So the real choice is whether you want full manual control or a managed experience that saves time. Before setting anything up, it helps to understand what each platform is responsible for. With DigitalOcean, you get a virtual machine, often called a droplet. You have full control, including root access, but you also take full responsibility for installing the web server, configuring security, setting up the database, and maintaining everything over time. Cloudways, on the other hand, handles much of that work for you. It wraps the server in a visual control panel, manages core server tasks, and prepares an optimized hosting environment from the start. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in either cloudways.com or digitalocean.com and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, the difference in setup style becomes obvious very quickly. On DigitalOcean, launching a WordPress site usually means creating a droplet, connecting through SSH in your terminal, and manually installing tools like Nginx, MySQL, and PHP. This gives you flexibility, but it also means you are responsible if something breaks. On Cloudways, the process is much simpler. You click to create a new server, choose WordPress, pick your infrastructure provider and server size, and let the platform handle the setup for you. Performance is another major difference. On a raw DigitalOcean server, fast WordPress performance usually depends on your ability to configure caching systems such as Varnish or Redis manually. Cloudways simplifies this by providing its optimized stack out of the box, including Nginx, Apache, Varnish, and Memcached. On higher server sizes, you also get stronger object caching support, which can significantly improve page speed and database performance. Now let's talk about pricing and support. A basic DigitalOcean server is cheaper because you are only paying for infrastructure. Cloudways costs more because you are paying for management, convenience, backups, staging tools, and support. That extra cost can be worth it if you want help when things go wrong. If you want the managed route, go into Cloudways, click Launch Now, choose the WordPress optimized option, select DigitalOcean as the provider, choose the premium server type, set the server size to 2 GB of RAM, pick your preferred data center region, and launch the server. Provisioning usually takes just a few minutes. Before going live, review your server settings carefully.